Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 of this series. I was a little bit confused. She told me she was going to print it on a blue shirt, but she wanted a little more to it. She wanted to be able to add, and like the word hot. She's actually going to use the word pepper, I found out. But we still have the shape from part 1. So what we can do is let's fill in this shape. She actually said like a yellow and a red. So let's fill that in. Let's go ahead and turn it yellow. And now let's get the interactive fill tool, and I'm not 100% sure this is what you want, but we're going to give it a shot. It would be kind of like a pepper look. You could add a little red to that circle, bring this in a little bit, have a little bit more yellow. And you could do, a lot. You could have the red go further, have the red stay there. I always like going up here and smoothing out the colors. Now let's see what it looks like in the spot. Go up here and go object, order, back a page. But now we need to move this up. You can see what that looks like without the blue t-shirt. So now we're going to go to object, order on this one and back a page. And you'll see what it looks like on a blue shirt. The word hot looks hot. I think that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that's what they're wanting. It's for some chili cook-off t-shirt. And I don't know anything about printing. Once again, you've got a little white there. I would just, bring that in a little bit because you've got the yellow part. You'd have to do that pre-hand before you did all the other stuff, before you change the shape. But if you look at it with nothing selected, that looks hot. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.